didn't have to end this good.
Here we
I'm so
are.
grateful.
Hang tight, sir. We're just waiting to get the key to open the car.
Okay. I'm grateful to y'all, all the people who prayed,
Oh, God.
all the people who texted, all the people who had prayer vigils, all the people who were concerned and sent love and sent notes. Just grateful. Thank you. Didn't have to turn out this way. Just grateful. Not afraid to die. Don't want to hurt my kids. And the people who love me, the church who needs me, the world who called me, the God who sent me. Sometimes you just gotta be